Let's turn though to the story that's been breaking at the top, the latest twist in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, where actor Rhea Chakrabarti, who was Sushant's girlfriend, her brother Shobik has been arrested by the Narcotics Bureau. Rhea's brother was grilled for his alleged drug links. Samuel Miranda, the manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, has also been arrested. 3 drug dealers claim that Shobik took drugs from them. WhatsApp chats between Rhea and Shobik had showed that the two were talking about bud and doobies. The drugs were allegedly meant for Sushant Singh Rajput. That's what Shobik has claimed, that Sushant Singh Rajput used to take drugs on a daily basis. This is what is being claimed by the investigation and the confessions that have been made, that they were taking drugs for. Okay, joining us now are Sahil Joshi is joining us and Devesh Singh. Both of them, our 2 reporters, are joining us from the spot. Devesh Singh, you tell us what exactly is the charge under which Shobik has been arrested.
Radeep sir, I would like to tell this, that the zonal director has just confirmed in India Today that Shobik is yet to be arrested. He has not been arrested formally yet. Within an hour and a half, they'll take a call whether he has to be arrested, and an arrest memo could be served. Though sources are telling us that arrest seems very likely, but the formal arrest hasn't been shown yet by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and the arrest memo hasn't been served to Shobik and Samuel Miranda yet. But the rigorous hours of questioning did happen, in which sources tell us that Samuel revealed that it was through Shobik that he was in touch with drug peddlers, and drug peddlers who've been already arrested by Narcotics Control Bureau. They've revealed that they were in touch with Shobik, and Shobik did procure drugs through Samuel Miranda from these drug peddlers, which were banned narcotic substances. And also Shobik has told NCB officials that the drugs that he had procured, or he had helped procure, were for Sushant Singh Rajput, because Sushant was consuming drugs on a regular basis.
No, that's important. You are saying that Shobik has said he was procuring drugs for Sushant and for Rhea, or was it just for Sushant? Because where does Rhea Chakrabarti, is she likely to be arrested next?
The further course of action will be decided once the Narcotics Control Bureau produces Shobik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda and seeks their custody. But it is highly likely that Rhea Chakrabarti is the next to be summoned in this case, because she's been named as an accused. In fact, she's the prime accused. To her, it was her WhatsApp chats that brought to light communication regarding banned narcotic substances, after which a disclosure report was sent by the Enforcement Directorate to Narcotics Control Bureau, and Narcotics Control Bureau registered a case to investigate it further. A special team was created in Delhi, which has been sent to Mumbai. A senior IRS officer who was with DRI has been loaned to Narcotics Control Bureau for 6 months, especially to supervise investigations in this case. So Rhea Chakrabarti is the next person who could be summoned, and only when she is interrogated, when she is questioned, as per her statements, if the Narcotics Control Bureau feels that she is not cooperating with the probe, her custody could be sought.
Sahil Joshi, in a way this case started with nepotism, and it is now turning out to be narcotics. Until now it was nepotism, money laundering, abetment to suicide, cheating. All those charges now seem to have gone to the background. The CBI investigation seems to be pushed to the background. The focus suddenly is on narcotics and allegedly procuring drugs for Sushant. That both Shobik and Rhea were procuring drugs for Sushant. These were questions we had asked her, and that time Rhea had denied procuring drugs for Sushant. So clearly Rhea Chakrabarti will have much to answer.
Absolutely. In fact, we would like to also clarify that the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case has been investigated not by Narcotics Control Bureau, but it's been investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI. Now the chats which has come forward because through the investigation what happened in Enforcement Directorate. Now, there is a different link altogether. During the interrogation of Enforcement Directorate, the Enforcement Directorate, took the data of the mobile phone of Shavik Chakravarti as well as Riya Chakravarti. While searching the data, they used certain keywords were inserted to understand what was the discussion in the WhatsApp chats or any other SMSs or any other chat applications possible in the mobile phones. During that time, the Enforcement Directorate chanced upon these particular chats in which there was a discussion about the drugs. Someone wants drugs. The name was not specified about the chats which were leaked to the media. Then these particular chats were given to the Narcotics Control Bureau, and on the basis of that, Narcotics Control Bureau registered a separate case of the drug trafficking, consumption of the drugs, etc., under NDPS Act. And after that, the NCB started investigation in this particular case, in which they have already arrested 5 people, out of which 2 people are already on the bail. 3 people are now in the custody of Narcotics Control Bureau. And as Devesh was mentioning, it looks like that Shauvik's arrest is now evident. It's going to happen in some time. Samuel Miranda, who is a house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, will also be arrested, is also likely to be arrested. Now, the remand copy of the people who were arrested yesterday were taken to the court today. And in that remand copy, the NCB has claimed that they were procuring drugs on the instructions of Shavik Chakravarti and were giving it to Samuel Miranda to give it to Sushant Singh Rajput. So that angle is completely different altogether. Now, whether Sushant Singh Rajput's death is anyway linked to this consumption of drug, it's something now the CBI will investigate. But as far as this case is concerned, it is about the procurement of the drugs, and of course,
let me take what you're saying.
Consumption is yet to be. Yeah.
Let me take what you're saying to Yashovardhan Azad, senior police officer, someone who has served in very high capacities in the government, including the IB. Yashovardhan Azad explained this to us, a case which has